Wow, those were some excited contest winners that Britt flew in from Australia for a meet and greet with the girls. But Britt, you think you could at least have given them a hug or something? The brothers Jonas took it to their blog this weekend to thank their fans, saying, "You have made this the best year of our lives. We cannot imagine doing anything else. We all hope you have the best Christmas ever." Someone else doing the tour thing?
Like the bus parts are definitely the best. That's where we have time to relax and chill out, play video games.
It's always video game time with the guys, though.
Yeah.
Call of Duty or Mortal Kombat.
Well, sounds like you might have time for a little of both. Marking out Saturday, he will be out of the Dancing with the Stars tour for a couple of weeks while he recovers from a groin injury. More legal drama for Charlie Sheen, but this time it's his hit show that's taking a punch. Warner Brothers is suing CBS, claiming that I owes them $49 million in studio and production costs for 2.5 Men.
What was the name of the third